Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to design a good infographics in Canva. So the first thing you want to do, you want to log into your Canva on your PC. Alright, so once you've logged in, so what we need to do is you want to click on more right here, okay? So and then we're going to find Infographics, as you can see, okay? Click on it. Alright, so here we are. Depending on the format or the type of infographics you want to create, so let's say it's about wellness, health and wellness. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we'll go with this. Okay, so this is a simple, straightforward health and wellness infographic shape. So as you can see right here, we can set it up however we like. Okay, you can change the font if you want to, text color. Okay, so right here we can change. Let's this one right here, I can change the color to, if I think green looks better, okay, and change it to blue, whatever works. Okay, make sure to sleep well, talk with friends. So we can change the colors of let's say the chair should be red, blue. So you can set it up however you like, and then once you're done with this, we can add a new page right here. Okay, so this is our new page. Alright, so the clouds are usually blue, right? So I'm gonna change this to blue. I'm gonna change this to light blue. Okay, that makes sense. So right here we have this green color that looks so beautiful. So you can change the color however you want. This you can give it another color. Let's say she's wearing some purple. Okay, and then this, let's say yellow. Okay, so it matches, right? And it looks so good. Now we're gonna add a new page, okay, to our infographics. So I'm gonna select, okay, yeah, this looks good. So good habits for health, balanced diet. So then you can just type in whatever you want to type in, and you can also use magic, right? You know, Canva has added magic, right? It's like an AI, so it can rewrite whatever you want. You can create a summary. Let's show to go to the gym 3 times a day. Okay, that's good. Now we can use magic right for this. Alright, I'm sure you visit the gym 3 times a week. We'll replace it with this. So as you can see, you can change the color, whatever color doesn't suit you, make some changes. So it's pretty easy and straightforward, right? All these little things can be set up, can be changed. This star, all these tiny things, they can be set up. You can edit it however you want. Is change the font, change the color, and then the website. So this is how to create an infographics Canva. Okay, it's pretty easy and straightforward. So once you're done setting it up, and you can just click on share to download the pages. Okay, so then click on download PDF format. and that's it. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Okay, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.